Hi everyone, this is Silky from Mommy Travel Stories and welcome to my next video. And this video is all about a new vlogging camera that I got finally for myself. I have been researching from so many days to find this perfect vlogging camera, good for videos, good for photographs, and finally I thought this is the one that I needed. And I thought it will be a fun idea to unbox this in front of you and tell you the features about it. And I'll be honest, this is the camera which I bought from the monetization of my Instagram handle. Yes, you heard it right. So if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Mommy Travel Stories, same name. And this camera is not available on any of the outlets, so you can only get it through Amazon or online order. So although it becomes more important for me to show you what this pack contains, so let me just not waste much of your time and show you right now, and I'll open in front of you and show you what all is inside. Okay, so let me now just unbox right in front of you. So this says content creation kit, and it has got a camera, a shooting stick, and there are 2 batteries and an SD card. So let me just open right in front of you and show you what's all is inside. Alright, there are a lot of things inside, just have a look at it. So the first is this camera. So it's written 2 years warranty, so it's come with 2 years warranty as well. And there is this shooting stick as well. So it has got Bluetooth. You can just use it with the camera for vlogging purpose. And I'll just open and show you what's inside. And there are these 2 batteries. So good thing is it has got 2 batteries, and and some kind of paperwork as well. So let me now open this camera and show you what's there. So I'll now open this camera box and show you what's there. I'm so excited to finally open this. So it has got an SD card, 64 GB SD card here, and once I open, it has got this paperwork, and here is the beautiful camera. So here it is. It's so light, super light and compact. You can just put it in your handbag and you don't have to carry a lot of things. So the best part is about this camera is it has got this flip screen which you can flip when not in use. This can be closed, and while doing your self shoots, this is something that you're going to use it a lot. And so this is the button from where you start. So this is a point and shoot camera which doesn't have external lens. So I think the battery is not there. So I'll open it and show you what's there. Along with this, okay, so this is this dead cat which is used for noise cancellation. So it has got a mic here, and here you can put your noise cancellation. This is called a dead cat, so you can put it here, and this will be a great tool for recording. So it's all inclusive. That's what the best part about this kit is, that you don't have to buy anything extra. Every necessary item for your vlogging is included. This is a USB cable, and this is an extra battery along with it. So let me put the battery and show it to you. But before that, I will open this shooting grip, which is also along with this. I got to know that in US you have to buy this extra, but with this package it has come along. This is very useful. So if you see this, it can be paired with the camera. It has got a Bluetooth with which you can pair it, and there is just one button. With the click of one button, you can start your video mode and a photo mode. And one thing more, that you can make this as a tripod as well. So you can keep it and you can fix your camera on top of it and make it as a tripod as well, which is very handy. I think if you look at the other mirrorless camera, those are really bulky ones, but this is something that is really handy. You can fix it like this on the top of the camera, pair it with Bluetooth, and you're done. So So I'll take you down to my garden and I'll show you the features of it. I'll put the battery and I'll show you the features. What were the major reasons why I got this one. So for the first look, I think it's great. So let me show you one more thing in the box. There is this pouch also that has come along. So you can keep your shooting grip inside. This is along, and what else? Nothing. I mean, this is just the paperwork. So if I have to talk about, this is the total kit that is there. One is the camera, one is this shooting stick, one is this dead cat, 2 batteries and the USB cable, and yeah, so let's go down and show you the features of it and let's do some testing. I think once I start using it, I'll get the grip of it. But it's a great kit. Overall, in one package, you can get everything. I'm out in the garden right now and I wanted to show you some of the photos and videos live with this camera and tell you some of the features why I bought this one. So the first and foremost, the major reason why I got this, as I told you, is the flip screen. So it has got this flip screen. The moment you open it, the camera is switched on. So when you are traveling with kids especially, you really do not have time to set up the lens and you tend to miss a lot of shots. So this is really convenient. Just close it back and the camera is shut. And the flip screen is something that you can turn, and even good for when you're traveling solo. You can make your own videos and even click pictures as well. So this is one reason that I got this camera. The second reason what I liked about this camera is that all the required buttons are right here. So if you're traveling or you want to make a quick video, you can just right here press it. So the record button, the start and on button, the defocus button, I'll tell you about defocus button next thing, and the zoom in, zoom out button, even the mic, everything is right here and very convenient to use. So right now I'm shooting on this Sony ZV-1 camera and I want to show you this very impressive feature of this camera, which is a defocus button. So the best part about this camera is that, you know, just press one button, which is a defocus button, and the entire background will become blurry. So you really do not need a high-end lenses to get that blurry effect. Neither you want to change, you have to change the lens and you can do it. Let me just show you how it happens. So right now it's the background you can see is all clear, and I'll press the defocus button and you can see the blurry effect. It has become blurry. And again, if you want to get the background clear, just press again and it is again a clear background. So it's really impressive. I'm very excited about this feature because I really do not need any high-end camera to get this effect. And I'll give you one more trial if this was not clear much. So this is the clear mode of it. You press one button and this is a defocus. So if you can see, it's all defocus at the end. And really great feature introduced by Sony ZV-1. Another feature that I want to show you in this Sony ZV-1 is the autofocus feature, which is again a great feature if you are a product reviewer or if you want to show the product close up to the camera. So let me show you with the flower how it looks like. So right now I'm just recording and I'll bring this flower in front, so all the focus will come to this flower, and the moment I remove it, and it's that instant, it brings back the focus to me. So let me show you again. The focus is on the flower and I do it back and the focus is back to me. Isn't this an excellent feature? So another feature which this Sony ZV-1 has is the beauty mode. I wasn't aware that this mode existed. So basically it softens your skin. Right now the beauty mode is off. So let me show you how does it work. It's currently on the low mode, and now I'll change it to medium mode, and now I'll change it to high mode. So I don't know whether you can feel the difference. Let me go back to the normal off mode. So this is off mode. Nothing, no filter is there, and that's the difference. So basically it's good for the beauty bloggers. It will definitely help them to soften the skin. And next time in my videos, if you see skin looking better, it's majorly because of I'm using Sony ZV-1. Let me now show you few of the photographs from Sony ZV-1, because main reason I got it because it's good in video and it's good in photographs as well. So I want to show you what kind of photographs come from Sony ZV-1 and at the end I will also tell you few of the shortcomings which I could figure out in this camera, because this is not a paid promotion. So I want to be honest and tell you what are the things which I did not like about this camera as well, so that you can decide whether you want to buy it or you don't want to buy it. So there are two shortcomings that I could figure out in this camera. One is that this camera doesn't have a wide angle. So if you're looking out for a photographs or video where you get a big wide angle, maybe this is not the right camera for you, but I am okay with it. I think it's decent enough. But if you're looking out something which GoPro can do or which Sony other cameras can do, then this is not the right fit. Second thing is the lenses are not interchangeable. So tomorrow if you want to upgrade yourself, you will not get an option to upgrade because it's point and shoot camera. There are no changing of lenses. So I think that's another shortcoming. I am okay with that. So you need to decide what do you prefer and whether you're okay with these two shortcomings.